Why do we get sleepy? It is said that sleep has a great impact on health. It is also said that children who sleep grow up. There are many other benefits that sleep brings, such as enhanced immune function, improved memory, stress reduction, and much more. It is said that every living thing in the world sleeps at the moment. But sleep is a very dangerous state in nature. Sleep is also very dangerous in nature because it prevents escape from foreign enemies and predators. This is too disadvantageous from the point of view of survival. Why do all living things sleep? The common perception is that it is to rest the brain, but it has actually been recently proven that the function of sleep is not only to rest the brain. Sleep has long been the subject of research by scientists, and it is said that 1 to 5-year-olds need 11 to 14 hours of sleep per day. And although more and more children enter elementary school and come home late from school for lessons and cram school, they should get 9 to 13 hours of sleep for healthy growth. However, for healthy growth, it is important for children to get 913 hours of sleep. Since a day is 24 hours long, even as adults, we spend about 1/3 of our time sleeping, and many people have wondered if it is possible to reduce this time. The recognized world record for continuous insomnia is 264 hours and 12 minutes, set by an American high school student in 1964. The effects of this experiment on the high school students themselves were quite significant, as they were in a state of insomnia for more than 10 days. 3 days into the experiment, his memory deteriorated significantly, and by the 4th to 5th day, he was in a state of extreme stress, suffering from memory loss, hallucinations, and an inability to perform simple calculations. However, after he completed the experiment and had an antiday's sleep, these symptoms disappeared, and he was back to normal. These symptoms disappeared, and he became normal. But please do not try to imitate him. Sleep is essential for the human body, and the reason for this is to rest the brain. It is not surprising that sleep is essential to the human body, and the reason is to rest the brain. As far as we know, all living organisms sleep. The koala is known as one of the animals in the animal kingdom that sleeps the longest. It is currently thought that the koala spends most of its day sleeping, which is due to the labor required to digest the leaves of the eucalyptus trees that are its staple food. Other carnivores such as tigers and lions sleep 13 to 15 hours. And rodent hamsters sleep 12 hours. Carnivores and small animals tend to sleep longer. On the other hand, goats, sheep, horses, giraffes, and cows sleep less than 5 hours. On the other hand, herbivores and large animals tend to sleep less than 5 hours a day. And giraffes sleep only 20 minutes a day. It has been confirmed that not only highly evolved animals, but also insects, which at first glance may seem difficult to determine whether they are sleeping or not, do sleep. In particular, experiments on Drosophila, a commonly used experimental organism, have shown that it has been confirmed that flies that are sleep-deprived sleep for a longer period of time in reaction to the sleep deprivation, and also become distracted. The same is true for humans, who are no longer able to concentrate as well. If brain function is impaired by sleep deprivation in all living organisms, then sleep is resting the brain. Most people used to think that if sleep deprivation impairs brain function in all living organisms, then sleep is resting the brain. However, in 2017, a study was published that overturned this conclusion. The study was conducted by 3 graduate students at the California Institute of Technology. They began their experiments on a jellyfish called the Sekasakura jellyfish. The jellyfish, whose sleep was disturbed, began to drift aimlessly in the water during the day, and the next night, they fell into a deeper sleep. The results of their experiments caused quite a stir among neurobiologists, because jellyfish are one of the most specialized organisms of all. Because jellyfish have one of the most unique nervous systems of any organism and has no brain. The fact that a brainless organism sleeps suggests that the role of sleep is not to rest the brain, or that there is another reason for sleep, or that there may be another reason for sleep. This makes the mystery of sleep even deeper. Currently, it is estimated that the benefits of sleep are as follows. 1. Repair and regeneration of the body. During sleep, the body undergoes repair and regeneration. Cell repair, metabolism, and immune function are strengthened during sleep. Growth hormone, in particular, is secreted during sleep and is involved in physical growth and tissue repair. 2. Strengthening brain function and memory. Sleep also plays an important role in brain function. During sleep, memories are organized and strengthened, helping to consolidate what has been learned. Adequate sleep has been shown to improve concentration and cognitive function. 3. Emotional regulation and stress reduction. Sleep is also important for emotional regulation and stress reduction. Inadequate sleep can lead to increased stress hormones and emotional instability. Adequate sleep can help reduce stress and maintain emotional balance. 4. Strengthens immune function. Good sleep strengthens the immune system and helps prevent infection and inflammation. Sleep deprivation can compromise immune function and increase the risk of disease. 5. Maintain physical and mental health. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining physical and mental health. Sleep deprivation can increase the risk of obesity, anxiety symptoms, and more. Sleep is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle. While the appropriate amount of sleep varies from person to person, ensuring a good sleep environment and a regular sleep rhythm will help ensure a healthy lifestyle.
Hey, everyone. Today, we have a special guest with us. Dino Jr. is ready for a fun game of rock, paper, scissors, and we want you to play along. Are you ready, Dino Jr.? Dino Jr., what do you choose, folks? Alright, here we go. It's time for our first round of rock, paper, scissors. Are you ready? Rock, paper, or scissors? Rock, paper, or scissors? Make your decision and get ready to see who wins. Great job. Dino Jr. What were your results? Did you win any rounds against Dino Jr.? Okay, next. We're on to the final round. It's your last chance to win against Dino Jr. Will you make it count? Are you ready? Rock, paper, or scissors? Rock, paper, or scissors? Make your decision and get ready to see who wins. Dino Jr. We had a great time, and we can't wait to play with you all again. Bye, everyone.